They say that Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they say they don't beg the Igbo, so and say they will never beg the Fulanese. As it stand right now, Ohanaeze Ndigbo say they want go meet Mazi NnamdiKanu, which is the President General will be Wanyawu. Say he's going to make sure that he meet with Mazi NnamdiKanu, that his brother have been declining his request to visit NnamdiKanu. I'm going to play you the voice recording and the video. May you just listen from beginning to end before you comment, and make sure say you share the video immediately.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. President General Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Engineer Iwanyawu Ototoma from my side.
Who is speaking?
General Fearless Voice. Udeje Kenda Mosu.
Oh yeah?
General Fearless Voice. Udeje Kenda Mosu.
Well, you have been abusing me and insulting me for no just cause. You have been abusing me and insulting me. And you think I have done a lot for humanity, for Igbos. You, a younger person than me, you continue abusing me, continue insulting me, and you think God is happy? You know, you're my son. I'm telling you, before you say something, if you are saying the truth, you'll be right. If you want to commit offense, say it. I won't blame you. I will take responsibility. But if I didn't do anything wrong, somebody, a small boy, a younger person abuses me, insults me, when I have done everything I have done for Igbos, myself and today, I don't know if there's any woman alive who have done more Igbos than the man in the. I have done a lot by my life, everything. So what I'm saying is, I have forgiven you, and I'm telling God Almighty to forgive you. God should forgive you because you don't know what you are doing. People are telling us, and you are abusing me. I'm 20 years, and I have brought my life to serve my people. I am not getting any money. I'm being paid by my company. 100 billion. I'm 20 years. What am I going to do with the money? I don't need it. People who know me very well know I don't value money. I value honor and integrity. People in Nigeria know me very well. I'm not fighting you because you are praising of people to carry out more investigation on me. If you carry out more investigation, if you find me to be a liar, to be a rogue, go ahead. God will bless you. God will protect you. But if you believe false stories, and you try to undermine me, an innocent person, you know God will not like it. You are my son. I'm not annoyed with you. But stop going ahead, spoiling my name. It took me 80-something years to build a reputation, which everybody who associates with me acknowledges. So I will be very careful. I don't have too many years more. I'm at the twilight of my career. You call me old. Yes, I'm an old man. And I'm sure you would like to be old too. But the most important thing is, if I have said those things, if I have done those things, but the point is that I am the person who suffered, who have been preaching about this coup. I experienced it. The coup was not by Igbos, it was a military thing. It was Igbo, an Igbo man, he was who stopped it. They killed him. I know everything we suffered. That's why I joined the army. I lost my leg and I nearly escaped death. So just fighting for our people. I'm not blaming you because you are not around home. People are telling you stories like, please investigate this matter properly. If you investigate and if you are correct, go ahead. Tell the world what you find about him. If Ohanaeze is a criminal, say it. But if Ohanaeze is not, and you continue saying all that, you know, it's not good. God don't like it. That's why I said, I am praying that God should forgive you. Because what you are doing is not good for God and man. But now you have called me, I'm begging you to go and investigate. If you investigate and you find out it is, maybe they are going to be one of my best friends. I have asked some people in the past who have been told small stories. When they investigated, they found out that it is false. Today, some of them are my best friends because they know my character. I don't bother about it because I don't render anybody evil for evil. I believe that God Almighty is the judge. I was brought up by a humble Christian family, and that is how God has raised me. So please, I'm begging you, go and make sure you carry out the investigation. If you find out that I'm a criminal, yes, I will just apologize to. I will apologize to you both. If I'm but the end I want to money. And I book them in the 80-something years. I have built my reputation now. I didn't want to take this job because I was told, but I was persuaded and I came there. I didn't know that the reputation I had built over years, that I will come to be destroyed. But God Almighty had been with me. The same man who said that, he came without talking to me or anything, and said that he was a wisdom or whatever he said. This thing I want a meeting. We had meeting 27th of March. 27th of March in Government House. This information came about more than a month after. The television was here, press was here. If we said that day, it would be in the news. No news carried it. Why is that? We said nobody carried it. Bishops were there, traditional rulers were there, former governors, many leaders were there. So please, I'm begging you. I am a father. I regard you as my son. When a son goes astray, the father will tell him, and the son will apologize and say he's sorry. But even if you don't say you're sorry, this reputation I have built over the years, stop destroying it for no just cause. If you have a just cause, go ahead. If you have a just cause, God will not punish you. You will be praised. But if there is nothing I have done, because of some people who have selfish motives, in terms of NnamdiKanu, nobody has fought for NnamdiKanu more than Ndigbo. You mentioned I don't go to court and so on. I'm an old man, and I don't work well. I can't be walking to a crowded place unless you get people to go there. I have a bad leg. If you see me, you know that I'm managing. My leg, I'm having an artificial leg because of injury when we're doing the war. I can't go to those things anytime. But I have a reputation in Nigeria. I am respected by the North, respected by the West, respected by the East, everywhere they respect me. And I think it's a good advantage to you as Igbos to have an Igbo man who can talk and they will listen. I've been fighting for Nnamdi and I will continue to fight for him because I know that Nnamdi is right. If Nnamdi is not right, I won't fight for him. I'm fighting for Nnamdi. In fact, I'm going to address a press conference because I will see the report of yesterday. I'm going to address a world press conference on this matter because you see, I am fighting for him the way I will fight for any of my children. Because what he is doing is fighting for self-determination. As Igboro have done it before. Before. Ndị Hausa oge nwere problem. Araba means secession. So secession is not new. Ndị Yoruba na-achọ otuwa. So our own is not the best. Why should those people be free and Nnamdi not free? That is why I am fighting for it, and he will be. That's why I will fight it, and they will release him. Or just go away patience. You see, so I'm fighting for him. The Hausa okay, my problem. Araba means secession. So secession is not new. Ndị Yoruba na-achọ otuwa. So our own is not the best. Why should those people be free and Nnamdi not free? That is why I am fighting for it, and he will be. That's why I will fight it, and they will release him. Or just go away patience. You see, so I'm fighting for him. From fighting for him. Okay. I think I'm finished.
Nnamukwu President General Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Igadi dikechi echeda agwagwu. Ndụ gị ga-adịla anyị. O nwere na-ekpele gị ekpele ọnwụ. Igadi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpele gị ekpele ọnwụ at this age. Anyị enwerozi okenye. And anyị na-ekpe ekpele ka okenye. Anyị nwelu. Nọdụ ọnọdụ okenye. I am very, very happy that Gumabu adding 55 years. 55 years. And no one the 55 years abugolo okenye. From 50 we bagobe. Yes. Nwagi kambo. And no nwagi kanga abugide. Mana kedi engage poki nnam. Engage poki nnamu. Eto munangana nnam. I learn from elders. I respect elders. And Kochi Igbo bụ na nwa ọbụla na-akwụnyere ọrụ nne ya ugwu ga-anwụ. Ọ dị na culture. And again, nna ọbụla na-amụrụ na nwa ya bụ nwa ya nwere punishment dị ilianụ. Nna m President General, thank you very much for the time in them now. Nyam 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Can drop a little.
Yes, go ahead.
Number one, Mbosinolo Putal as President General. Ndina ran me. Gabal Mosi, Aribal Makebe. Yen na Bafabo. Na Oteka called in Jonoga Adima. Onowuna. Welumma ya, welegbe ya, were iwe ya ti na-aba n'ihe ga-adị mma n'ebe injinia Dr. Chief Iwanyanwụ batagolo as Ohanaeze Ndigbo ka anyị nekene na anya mara na oge ficha anya mmiri n'anya na Chief John Nyanwodo, he disappointed us. Aburo kuma na atu egwu ihe nna m fa ancestors is mala onye mfa jinye m ofo eji m ofo rinne ofo njiri nne bụ na Adam atu egwu Adam ebo mmadụ ebubo Adam enye mmadụ allegation abụ m victim abụ m student of allegation enyego m ya ana m afụ ka o si adị nna m Adam enye allegation and mmadụ anaghị agwa m ife m ga-ekwu about you or can castigate gị or can blackmail ogi. No. Ihe nje hold accountable bụ na onye ọbụla na-achị obodo nwee ihe na-eme n'obodo according to the rules and regulations bụ onye anwa ka a ga-eme gịnị ka anyị ma governors ife ọbụla mee na steeti ọbụla bụ adị ife onye a ga-ajụ ajụjụ bụ gọvanọ gụnwa bụ onye nọ as nna ndị Igbo niile. There is no doubt as President General. And anyị kwesịrị ikwu gị n'azụ, anyị kwesịrị iso gị n'azụ. Onye ọbụla kwutọrọ gị anyị kwesịrị hold accountable. Mana anyị ga na-ebezi akwa iwe agadịzi anyị ọnụmadị anyị n'obi anyị afụ ndị Fulani ebe a na-egbu anyị ebe a na-ekene ife na-eme na Ndigbo 1 local government. Onwere another place. Ndị amị abịakwa na-atụ anyị bomb. Ndị governors na senators no under you. Senators na governors na politicians no under you. And masses chọlụ onye ga-apụtasị enough is enough. Enough is enough. Kedu ife anyị ga-eso Mazi NnamdiKanu? Ife anyị ga-eso Mazi NnamdiKanu ife niile o kwuru emezuona. Yes, I am sorry for being your age and even agabiga pertaining your health issue. And me you kwuru maka ugbo gị ka ị na-ekwu ya ọ na-ewute n'obi abụrụ m anụ bi n'ofe abụrụ m anụmanụ. Mana ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo today ọ dị mma. Lekene ife opụzọ dị mma na-eme anyị. Lekene ife prọfesọ Soludo na-eme anyị. Sọsọ gọvanọ anyị ji aka taa bụ gọvanọ Abia steeti oti onwere onye onyere ego onwere onye kobo onwere onye afọ mana anyị kwere n'azụ maka na ihe ọ na-eme ga anyị mma nekene Ugochinyere Ikenga Imo nwatakịrị na-ekwutelu ndị Igbo mana nlọ mana ife anyị kwere n'azụ nekene Dr. Dan Olasi anyị kwere n'azụ nekene Prof Obasi Igwe anyị kwere n'azụ otu aka si wetokwa ikpụrụ gị n'azụ nna m biko ana m ayọ gị nye ọbụla ayịyọ nekene anyị legacy o nwere ihe ga-eme gị ka ịfụ ka anyị ga-esi na-eso gị ịmala ihe dị mma mala ihe dị njọ mala ihe dị ọcha mala ihe jiri oji anyị ata na ụfụ nekene Igbo ka ọbara na-esizi n'ala Igbo ndị Fulani wee batazie n'ala Igbo AK-47 AK-49 ụmụ anyị a na-ere ekwufa ma anyị nwere ndị ọchịchị ma anyị nwere ndị dịka iwu anyanwụ ọ bụrụ na achọ ga-afụlụ anyị eluzigo ifenụ nke a bụ the fact anyị lụziri ife because o nwere ife ịma ndị ọzọ na mara ọ bụrụ na achọ ga-afụlụ it's not a good thing for ndị Igbo anyị eluzigo Chukwu ọ bụ ezigbo ife anyị eluzigo ọbara ọ bụ ezigbo ife anyị eluzigo many it's not a good thing anyị eluzigo mmadụ Amaechi Ụgbazilike lụzuo Colonel Nwobosi lụzuo many ndị niile bụzi ndị okenye eji wee bili obodo ka na-azọ anyị azọ anyị nsabụ ọ bụ ife dị mma ọ bụrụ ife dị mma mana ọlụ unu bụ kene ka unu maka na-ele ife anwa anyị na-achọ ife anwa na-ewute anyị ife anwa na-agbali anyị obi mmegide anwa na-emegide anyị ọ bụrụ iwu bụ na ị ga-asọbụsị ya makwala amalụ na onye kpara gị aka akpago ndị Igbo aka otu ahụ ị nọ onye Hausa kpara gị aka akpagokwa Igbo aka ọkọpụwa ka iji yumata onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo gbalụgo okwu otu anyị si ekwe kịta ọ bụrụkwa mmadụ niile ga-apụta ọ dị mma otu isi na-anụ ife m na-ekwu iwe ghọta na nna konfrọntụ gị asị nna m na nwa gị na-konfrọntụ gị and ọgụ maka ọ dị elu ịma o nwere ndị na-ekwupụta ya o nwere ndị na-ekwe na nzuzo o nwere ndị na-ekwe na fatọchalụ fatu ego ka bịa blackmail oge God forbid mmekwa anya elu na ewelu ndụ m mmemme ya ife nji ehold gị bụ ka ịpụta maka ama na ị ga-eme ya ama na ị nwere the muscle ama na ị nwere the seal ama na ị nwere the charisma ama na ị nwere the power ọ gịnịzi kedụzi ife anyị ga-anọ n'akwa anyị ga-atọzi n'alịlị ọ bụ na otu ilo ndụ kịta na ahụ ịgbagolo ife na-emenụ iwe nye anyị legacy mgbụsị Ojukwu nwụrụ ọmụ nwa dị ife ị na-anụ ọnụ ma egbu m 7 nnamdi onye ọbụla nọ na Venezuela 7 mgbọsị mkpala Ojukwu na Venezuela afụrụ ụzọ the government of Venezuela ndị presidency sendil Manuel Chavez Calindo o send the delegates meals on that very day. I'm a fan of Ohanaeze Ndigbo na Venezuela. I'm the one. Memia. Ifen Jeho Dugibo. Keep Potamaka. I'm a nigga. I'm a nigga the muscle. I'm a nigga the seal. I'm a nigga the charisma. I'm a nigga the power. Organize. Kedisi I got on half. I got us nalele. Ọ bụ na otu ilo ndụ kịta na ahụ ịgbagolo ife na-emenụ iwe nye anyị legacy mgbụsị Ojukwu nwụrụ ọmụ nwa dị ife ị na-anụ ọnụ ma egbu m 7 nnamdi onye ọbụla nọ na Venezuela 7 mgbọsị mkpala Ojukwu na Venezuela afụrụ ụzọ the government of Venezuela ndị presidency sendil Manuel Chavez Calindo o send the delegates meals on that very day. I'm a fan of Ohanaeze Ndigbo na Venezuela. I'm the one. So Nnamdiko, ana ma yogi biko kene biko. Onwedi ife obu na ikulu na n'ọnụ gị Fulani ebe si n'ikwu maọbụ Yoruba si n'ikwu asị fama m anything we are there Igbo adone achịkọta Fulani na Yoruba fakọkwa anyị population napụ ife a na-eme politics apụpụ ndị ndị dịkwara dịka ụkalịsịa bụ ndị Igbo mana anyị na-atụ egwu Chineke. Nna m biko anya mmiri ga-ebe niile.
This call you made is very important.
Thank you.
I'm very happy to make this call. I have seen you now as a very patriotic person.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not people who the love for Igbo land. Monarchy with a common interest in Igbo. But you see, over lack of reason, you see, anywhere in future, you will play my number now. We can talk on issues. Everywhere, I'm your father, I'm at home, you're my son. And as I said, I have seen that you are no be organizer. And then when you are a material I'm going to use.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to use you. We're going to use you in our battle. I'm a battle in Nigeria. At this time, I'm going to give you another conversation. Now.
Thank you, sir.
Now. I'm on office that's waiting for me outside.
Thank you, sir.
I get another conversation.
Thank you, sir.
Conversation with you. We are going to use you because I will you have the following qualities.
Thank you, sir.
To be leader, he can work oratory skill.
Thank you, sir.
He can work political skill.
Thank you, sir.
He can work fear of God.
Thank you, sir.
So you have oratory skill. You have intellectual capacity.
Thank you, sir.
You have love of our people. So I can tell you now, as President General, I recognize this. I work with you.
Thank you, sir.
Important thing, I can work a communication line.
Thank you, sir.
So that whoever will be like in a good that place, I will tell report on what happens in that area.
Thank you, sir.
Because I know what is happening. Most of them. Most of these things make it up. But I think happy. I'm very happy. I'm proud. You see, one gift I have. Okay, I'll be praying. And my prayer says that you are a good person.
Thank you, sir.
You're patriotic. You're intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to use you. We're going to work together.
I need what you're begging.
Yes, so in there, to be honest, all
thank you, sir.
After all, Igbo forgive me. Ndigbo, they will forgive me. But
okay, before I drop us, I'm going to force if I was on my yogi email because Otobu no Sinade, Achokenelum. Ka Emily Ekwensu n'ọrịa niile m ga-like ka ije kana Abuja je Mazi na DSS biko mekike ne
I've told his brother Prince go get one appointment for me. I said this in December.
Maka nne gị mma gwa barista Nnaemeka abụ nwanne nwoke isi adịrị ya mma hapụ onye anwa Muna Nnamdi Nezimo's inside. Ngenye number barista Nnaemeka.
Anybody, I will tell my appointment next week. Next week.
Okay, ngagwa Nnaemeka ka ogwa Mazi NnamdiKanu ko dey appointment immediately.
I will prepare next week. Now I have been with you.
Okay, sir.
It'll be easy. I'll be dealing with you.
Okay, sir.
So I'll be dealing with you. So next week, I will see him.
Thank you, sir. So
I want you to be rest assured that I'm happy, but watch those informations. No.
He's a game player. He's a game. He's a game player. He's a chameleon. You matter whatever. You want to go Muafugia as a chameleon. It's a pure chameleon.
Yes.
Affordable chameleon. Ablock Gomia. I'm no nonsense human being. Ablock Gomia. You matter the information in the with us. I won't even take him mad. Okay, Gabo, okay, they shake. And what open a Gabo Katiro Gabazu? Bonalumana Kobo.
No,
if you get so
That opera to me, opera to me. You know, about a year ago, Gamu President Ohanaeze, he came to me, Simna, Ageniego, I published a book. Why Ohanaeze able to do what I can finance you from my own money. If the book is good. So the book, come review. I can't have a public to police book, I don't know yet. He gave me the book, then Alex Obonna, the public secretary of Ohanaeze, where I got through the book. Come to show what is in fact giving money. This man, when I go that thing all the time. I think God Gala is ego. The way this ego, that man property in Abaya, I don't know what is ego. This ego, the hair gazette, fabricated, and the thing of opera is completely false. But who the false? Ima people, he is a respectable person. And you know, if people in Nigeria respect me, Ndigbo in Nigeria, they respect me.
Why not respect you? Or that I can believe first. From the one. That is the reason where the kind of worried never at this stage. Kimela in fact. That legacy. Nyani history. Nyani firmama. Koga fu umugitoni techa toga flow. Yes. Nah. Then if I no melife de otua. Namulu melife de otua ngwabiano. Obrova ke jaka ba we woputasi onwo for Burundi Igbo ke woputaba because of your legacy. Nnamdiko. If from king e buna ma fine boy. Okay, if no ngwanezelo since a year ago kin agua continue fagi. Opodo wole ndi the banks. Na tinye their names. Na pusa gunwa. Bulu ifa no beje ba nwa. Magunwa no onwegi bu onye the important ga bu ije fumas NnamdiKanu ka gina panketa 1 minute. Because I'm not getting a 1 minute, don't worry, Fabalulu.
I'll be there next week. I will talk with you maybe later in the night.
Okay, sir.
Or tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm blessed.
I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. You're my son.
Thank you, sir.
I'm very happy. I'm happy with you. No problem.
Thank you, sir. I'm blessed.
Welcome back to Balabas Gist. My people, when I don't hear them of waiting they happen because they very important when you get information, because information now be the key. If you no get information, that means you don't know waiting they happen. The way you go set, you no go know. So may you hear that with your own ear and share this video and let us know what you think for inside comment section.